to Summerautoparts. Today's video we are going to introduce our new products for new Range Rover Sport. And we can see as per this video we are going to introduce our carbon fiber bonnet for Range Rover Sport. So today we are going to introduce some exterior accessories and interior accessories for this car. So first of all, let me introduce the carbon fiber front grille. As we can find, this is LED front grille, but some customers want to check how's the look after we use the SV carbon fiber bonnet with SV carbon fiber front grille. This is a front grille with black edition and dry carbon fiber. Please notice this is dry carbon fiber replacement when it's not the practice covered by the water transfer. That's a totally different quality. So we are going to fix the SV front grille with SV bonnet to check how's the look after modification. On the other hand, follow me. We are going to fix the mud flap. This is a black edition mud flap to protect our car, the rear wheel edge, rear fender without any darts and any scratch from the driving. And this is no need to make the holes, just use the original pole station to fix on. On the other hand, for interior, this is the new interior speed cover we made for new Range Rover, and new Range Rover is universal for new Range Sport. New Range Rover they come in 8 pieces, and for new Range Rover Sport they come in for the 6 pieces. So we can find that this is black edition speed cover, which surface is smooth. It's not like the other supplier which is cut your fingers. And this smooth speed cover is black edition for the high-end the lecture suspension of the car. So if your car is coming with black interior seats like my side, you can change this speed cover to make its whole looks luxury. So follow my video today. We are going to fix all accessories in my videos and to show you guys what you can do for your new Range Rover Sport. So follow my videos and let's do it.